Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake with pancake mix. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your favorite pancake mix, water, and a reliable deep fryer. You'll also need some powdered sugar for topping. This simple method makes delicious funnel cake accessible to everyone, even without a traditional recipe. It's a fun treat to make at home, perfect for any occasion. Next, let's prepare the batter. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of your pancake mix with about 2/3 cup of water. Whisk these ingredients together until the batter is smooth and free of any lumps. You want a consistency that's pourable but not too thin, similar to a thick pancake batter. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more water, 1 teaspoon at a time. Now for the fun part, frying. Heat your oil in a deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the batter into the hot oil in a circular, overlapping motion, creating a classic funnel cake design. Fry each side for about 60 to 90 seconds, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to carefully flip it, ensuring even cooking on both sides. Once your funnel cake is golden, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While it's still warm, dust it generously with powdered sugar. You can also add fruit, whipped cream, or chocolate syrup for extra indulgence. And for a quick tip, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making it super convenient for any home. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen tidy after your funnel cake adventure, letting you enjoy your treat without the cleanup stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.